Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into 6 top-notch woodworking tips that will help you create flawless, professional-grade projects. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a secret. Tip number 1, joining 2 boards. Have you ever imagined that with just one simple trick, you can seamlessly fuse 2 boards into one solid, durable piece of wood that will truly amaze you? Tip number 2, quick wood repair. We often use glue and sawdust to fill in holes, but is there a faster, more effective method? Today, I'll reveal a lightning-fast secret for repairing wood damage that saves you time and effort while preserving that natural beauty. Tip number 3, hiding the fasteners. Fasteners can often ruin the sleek look of your woodworking project. This trick will help you disappear those unsightly details, resulting in a finished piece so perfect that no one will ever notice the screws. Tip number 4, joining wood at right angles without a machine. Think you need a woodworking machine to join wood at a 90-degree angle? Join me as we explore a creative idea that lets you align a board perfectly at a right angle even with just basic tools. Simple, yet effective. Tip number 5, precisely aligning 2 boards. Accuracy is key when connecting 2 boards in a perfectly straight line, which is essential for a professional finish. This tip will leave you amazed with its precision, ensuring each joint is seamlessly aligned down to the finest detail. Tip number 6. Securing door hinges accurately. Let's uncover the secret to mounting door hinges perfectly, combining meticulous measurement with careful handling to guarantee absolute stability. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share it, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next amazing woodworking tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any cool tips or want to share your experiences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.